There is a silent struggle that many men face as they move through their 50s, 60s, and beyond. A struggle rarely voiced but deeply felt. It's the unsettling realization that the body no longer responds as it once did. Confidence wavers, intimacy becomes uncertain, energy fades more quickly, and the reflection in the mirror reveals changes that no one ever truly feels prepared for. If you've ever questioned whether robust blood flow, reliable performance, sharp vitality, and prostate health are slipping away for good, I urge you to listen closely. What you're about to learn may fundamentally reshape your understanding of one of the most common habits in your daily life and how it can be harnessed to restore your health and confidence. Before we dive in, I invite you to like this video, subscribe for evidence-based men's health guidance, and share where you're watching from in the comments. You are not alone. This space is dedicated to you. I'm Dr. Samra Turajilic, a board-certified urologist with over a decade of clinical experience in men's health. Throughout my career, I've had the privilege of guiding thousands of men through challenges such as erectile changes, diminished blood flow, prostate enlargement, low testosterone, fatigue, and the loss of confidence and intimacy that can accompany these changes. Beyond the lab results and medical charts, I've witnessed the emotional toll, men who feel ashamed, anxious, frustrated, and disconnected from the vibrant selves they once knew. It's for these men and for you that I approach this work not just as a physician, but as someone who deeply understands the human side of aging. Today, I want to discuss something deceptively simple: olive oil. You've likely heard that it's heart-healthy, anti-inflammatory, and one of the world's healthiest fats. All of this is true, but what most men have never been told, even by their doctors, is that olive oil's full potential for men's health, especially regarding circulation, erectile function, and prostate health, is only unlocked when it's paired with another powerful ingredient: vinegar. Let's explore why. At the core of male vitality is blood flow. Erections are not merely a matter of desire or hormones, they are fundamentally a vascular event. The penis depends on healthy, responsive blood vessels, robust nitric oxide signaling, clean arterial walls, and flexible circulation. When blood flow diminishes, so does performance. When circulation stiffens, sensitivity declines. When endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of blood vessels, deteriorates, erection quality suffers. The same vascular principles apply to the prostate, bladder, and pelvic floor. This is why men with diabetes, hypertension, metabolic syndrome, or increased abdominal fat often experience erectile dysfunction and prostate symptoms long before a formal diagnosis is made. The science is clear. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, which reduce oxidative stress and improve cholesterol profiles. Numerous studies, including those published in the New England Journal of Medicine and Circulation, have shown that diets high in olive oil, such as the Mediterranean diet, are associated with lower rates of cardiovascular disease and improved endothelial function. However, olive oil alone does not significantly stimulate nitric oxide release, nor does it substantially blunt post-meal blood sugar spikes. This is crucial because elevated insulin and unstable glucose levels damage the delicate lining of blood vessels over time, reducing their ability to dilate and deliver blood where it's needed most. This is where vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar, enters the equation. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown in multiple human studies, including randomized controlled trials published in Diabetes Care and the Journal of Functional Foods, to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes, and enhance endothelial function. Improved insulin sensitivity leads to better nitric oxide signaling, which in turn allows blood vessels to open more freely. This cascade supports not only erection quality, but also pelvic circulation and prostate oxygenation. When olive oil and vinegar are combined, you don't just absorb healthy fats, you activate your vascular system. I recall a 67-year-old patient, a retired engineer who had followed all the conventional advice: regular exercise, a clean diet, no smoking, and daily use of olive oil. Yet he experienced declining erections, waning morning energy, and worsening prostate symptoms. By adjusting his nutrition to stabilize insulin and support endothelial function, including the simple addition of vinegar with olive oil, his blood flow markers improved, erections became more reliable, and nighttime urination decreased within months. This wasn't magic. it was the restoration of normal physiology. As men age, testosterone levels gradually decline, nitric oxide production decreases, arterial stiffness increases, and inflammation subtly rises year after year. This combination creates a perfect storm for erectile dysfunction, prostate enlargement, fatigue, and loss of endurance. That's why nutrition must become strategic, not just healthy. The goal is no longer simply weight control, it's vascular revival. Vinegar slows carbohydrate absorption, reduces insulin spikes, improves lipid metabolism, and enhances endothelial nitric oxide release. These pathways directly influence penile blood flow and pelvic circulation. Improved circulation means stronger, more reliable erections, heightened sensation, greater stamina, and better prostate perfusion, which may help reduce inflammation and urinary symptoms over time. It's important to note, vinegar is not a cure for erectile dysfunction, nor does it replace medical evaluation, hormone assessment, or cardiovascular screening. However, men who consistently stabilize blood sugar, reduce insulin resistance, and improve endothelial health often experience meaningful improvements in sexual function, energy, and prostate comfort. Nutrition is not a substitute for medicine, but it is a powerful amplifier. One of the most painful truths I encounter in my clinic is how deeply erection struggles affect a man's sense of self. It's not just about sex, it's about confidence, leadership, feeling desired, feeling capable, and feeling alive. When blood flow returns, men often experience not just physical changes, but profound psychological relief. They stop anticipating failure, stop withdrawing emotionally, and become present again in their relationships. Used together in moderation, olive oil and vinegar support metabolic health, circulation, and vascular flexibility. This combination is most effective when consumed with meals, especially those rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and fiber. It's not about overwhelming your system, it's about consistency, hormonal balance, and reducing inflammation day by day. The prostate is highly sensitive to inflammation and circulatory compromise. Poor blood flow worsens congestion, insulin resistance disrupts hormonal balance, and chronic inflammation exacerbates urinary symptoms. By improving endothelial function, vinegar indirectly supports healthier prostate circulation. When prostate circulation improves, many men notice reduced urgency, better bladder emptying, and less nighttime urination. After age 60, the body's responses slow, but they also become more meaningful when properly supported. Blood flow is no longer guaranteed. It must be earned through metabolic discipline, nutritional intelligence, emotional regulation, and medical awareness. The men who age most successfully are not those who deny aging, but those who adapt wisely. Many men rarely admit how devastating it feels when their body stops responding sexually, how embarrassing nighttime urination can be, or how isolating it is to appear strong on the outside while feeling fragile within. If this resonates with you, know that these experiences do not make you weak, they make you human. Erections depend on nitric oxide signaling in the penile arteries. Insulin resistance suppresses nitric oxide, inflammation damages arterial elasticity, and high triglycerides slow vascular responsiveness. Stable glucose, reduced oxidative stress, and improved endothelial health restore this signaling over time. Vinegar works at the metabolic level. Olive oil supports the lipid level. Together, they address two fundamental pillars of sexual blood flow. Modern medicine excels at treating advanced dysfunction, but we often miss the opportunity to intervene earlier, at the metabolic stage, when circulation is silently declining. This gap leaves many men believing that decline is inevitable, when in reality, much of it is modifiable. You do not lose vitality simply because you are older. You lose it when insulin resistance rises, when circulation stagnates, when hormones drift out of balance, and when inflammation becomes chronic. Aging is biological. Decline is often behavioral and metabolic. If your body has changed, it does not diminish your worth. If your performance has shifted, it does not erase your masculinity. If your energy fluctuates, it does not mean you are broken. What matters now is your choice to rebuild. Recovery is rarely instant. It is gradual. It begins with stabilizing blood sugar, continues with improving sleep, reducing visceral fat, managing stress, and supporting vascular health. When these elements align, erections often recover, not through force, but through restored flow. Men frequently report the return of stronger morning erections, increased warmth in the pelvic region, improved sensitivity, reduced anxiety around performance, greater stamina, improved mood, and less urinary urgency. These are signs that your vascular system is responding. This is not about a viral life hack. It's about retraining your metabolism, blood vessels, and hormones to work together again. When you regain control of your blood flow, you regain control of much more than sexual function. You reclaim your confidence. Regardless of your past health choices, your future biology remains responsive. Your blood vessels still listen. Your hormones still adapt. Your nervous system still recalibrates. Your body still wants to work with you, not against you. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you to take one simple step. Like this video so that more men who are silently struggling can find it. Subscribe for medically grounded, emotionally honest men's health guidance. Share this with a brother, friend, or father who may be suffering quietly. And most importantly, leave a comment and say, "I'm taking my health back." Because true strength is not about pretending nothing is wrong. It's about having the courage to rebuild what still belongs to you.